In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're an avid crypto enthusiast, eager to share your insights, or just getting started, posting on CoinMarketCap is an excellent way to engage with the cryptocurrency community. I'll guide you through this simple yet crucial process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap's official website. This platform provides critical information on cryptocurrency prices, market caps, and news, making it an ideal place to share your knowledge and opinions about the crypto world. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, find the profile icon. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and it looks similar to a user silhouette, which is common in most website interfaces. Click on this icon. Clicking the profile icon will redirect you to the account section, provided that you're already logged in. If not, you'll need to log into your account to take advantage of posting capabilities. Having a CoinMarketCap account not only lets you engage with the community, but it also keeps you updated with personalized notifications and insights. If you haven't signed up yet, now is a good time to do that by following the straightforward registration process presented on the website. Now that you're in the account section, you'll see an option that says Create New Post. Click on this option. This action will take you to a new page or a pop-up window where you can start creating your post. Similar to other social media platforms, this is where you will compose your message or the content you wish to share. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, designed to make posting as streamlined as possible. Once you've clicked Create New Post, start typing your content in the provided space. Be sure to craft a post that is both informative and engaging. Capturing attention in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency requires a balance of clarity and insightfulness, so take a moment to make your points clear and concise. As you draft your post, consider the value it provides to others, whether it's analysis, predictions, or personal experiences with crypto trends. If you want your post to stand out and be more expressive, you can enhance your content by adding emojis. Emojis can convey emotions or emphasize key points, offering a visual appeal that text alone sometimes lacks. They can be a fun and expressive way to connect with your audience. After you've crafted your post and are satisfied with its content, click on the Post button. This final step publishes your message to the CoinMarketCap community, sharing your insights with the world. Lastly, there's also an option to click on Feed if you wish to create a post from the community section directly. This may offer a more streamlined posting experience as it places you into a broader discussion with the community, allowing quicker interactions. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating a post on CoinMarketCap. Happy posting!